In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize a phishing email. It's super easy to do, and by the end of this demonstration, you'll be able to create custom templates that are more difficult to detect so that you can take your phishing simulations to the next level. We're going to be customizing this DocuSign email. We'll be changing the text so that the email is targeted to our sales team members, leveraging variables to inject the supervisor's email, adding a company logo, and lastly, adding an additional phishing link to the DocuSign logo. All right, let's get into it. I still want to use this template in other campaigns, so instead of updating it directly, I'll duplicate it. I'll call it DocuSign Sales, and then click Duplicate. Now we can start making our changes by clicking Update. Before I make any changes to the email, we're going to need a new subject. Now remember, this email is targeted towards our sales team, so we'll use a made-up scenario about an urgent commission structure update, and that should grab their attention. So let's change the subject to be Action Required, Commission Structure Update. And now we can change the text within the email to align with our new scenario. So we'll change this section here. Let's change payroll to immediate signing required. And we'll change this section to be the same as our subject. Okay, that should do it. Now I want to make some updates to the body of the email to make it more believable. I've drafted up some content about the new scenario, and I'll go ahead and copy paste it in to speed things up. In a nutshell, the new narrative is about the commission structure, and it mentions that everyone needs to sign the document by the end of the day. Now let's add a new variable. We'll be taking advantage of the supervisor's email variable. And it's important to note that when using variables, you need to ensure that the information is populated in the employee list. So let's take a look. This is the sales team that we'll be sending the email to. The field we want to take advantage of is supervisor email, which you can see here, it's all populated for all those employees. So we're good to go. Okay, back to our template. So I want to inject the supervisor's email here. So I'll use the variable target supervisor. A full list of all the variables that you can use can be found in our knowledge base. The next edit I'll make is to add our company logo to the email. While this isn't seen in a normal DocuSign email, I think that having the logo will resonate better with the sales team. So the first thing I'll do is head to this section here, which is where you'll upload the image. So from the drop down, select image, and then navigate to the file. Click upload. And as you can see here, we have the URL where the image has been uploaded, and we'll copy that. Next, we want to find where we're going to put that logo in the email. I think having it next to the DocuSign logo will work well. So click there and then click on the Insert Edit Images icon. Paste that URL into the source and click Save. I think the image will look better if it's aligned to the right. So what you can do is click on the image and then click on these three dots for the additional toolbar items. Click on Align and then click Right. Okay, perfect. That looks good. Finally, the last change. I want to be extra sneaky in this email and add an additional phishing link just in case the user clicks on the DocuSign logo. So I'll do this by clicking on the logo and then click on this button here, which is Insert Edit Link. Now I can add the phishing website variable. And click Save. Now if anyone clicks on that logo, they'll be directed to the DocuSign login page, which can be seen here in the template correlation section. Okay, this email is ready to be used in a campaign with the sales team. It's engineered to grab the attention of these employees and includes custom information that elevates it from a generic phishing email to a targeted and relevant spear phishing attack. If you have any questions about editing emails, please reach out to the team. Thanks.